guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm sharing with you guys top 3 face creams which really helps in skin brightening, skin lightening, skin tightening, anti-aging and in making your skin spotless, clear and radiant. So these 3 face creams are different types of face cream. First one is the turmeric face cream which helps in skin brightening, skin lightening, anti-aging as well as it also removes your dark spots, pigmentation and acne scars easily from your skin. The second one is the tomato face cream, and tomato has immense amount of skin bleaching as well as skin lightening properties into it. So if you have any suntan or has some pesky marks on your skin which are not going anywhere, then this tomato face cream will completely remove all those marks and will also treat pigmentation, hyperpigmentation and dark spots problem. It's also one of the best homemade anti-aging cream because it completely and permanently fades away your wrinkles and fine lines in no time. And the third face cream is this beetroot face cream which really benefits your skin from within. It makes your skin really pinky, glowing, radiant and supremely moisturized. It also helps in clearing out your skin and making it spotless and clear, as well as helps in skin brightening and in even toning your skin. So now let's see how to prepare these 3 amazing face creams. So now let's start with this homemade turmeric face cream. So to prepare this cream, we firstly gonna need turmeric powder, and here I'm taking 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need rose water, and here I'm adding approx 1 tablespoon of rose water into it. And now after adding the rose water, I'm just giving a good mix to both these ingredients so that they makes a runny paste. And after that, I'm going to strain this paste so that it can remove all the lumps or the grains which it has. And here I'm just straining it with the help of a strainer. And once it's nicely strained, you will get this really fine turmeric paste. So you just have to take approx 1 teaspoon of this turmeric paste in a clean bowl. And next up, you're gonna need glycerin. And here I'm adding approx half a teaspoon of glycerin in it. After that, you're gonna need vitamin E oil, and here I'm adding approx half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And after adding the vitamin E oil, I'm just giving a good mix to all these ingredients so that they mix with each other well. And now lastly, you're gonna need aloe vera gel, and here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, I'm just mixing all the ingredients again very nicely to make a smooth, creamy and a lump-free cream. And after mixing everything really nicely, your homemade turmeric cream is ready and it will look something like this. This cream is really effective in removing your dark spots, acne scars, suntan and the pimple marks which you have on your skin. This cream will really brighten and lighten your skin tone and will make your skin really bright, glowing, even tone and pimple and acne scars free. So now let me tell you how to store this cream for best results. So you can store this cream in any airtight container. Here I'm just transferring this cream into this small glass container, and you can use any glass or airtight container to store this cream in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream onto your fingertips and gently apply it all over your skin. Just massage this cream onto your skin so that this cream completely absorbs into your skin. And after gentle application of this cream, just leave it like that overnight. And for the best results, you have to use this cream as a night cream. Just use it daily before going to bed. Now let's move on to the second face cream, which is the tomato face cream. And to prepare this cream, we firstly gonna need 2 tomatoes. And here I'm just taking these 2 tomatoes and cutting them into 2 halves, just like so. And now we'll use a grater to grate these tomatoes. So now after grating all these tomatoes, my homemade tomato pulp is ready and it will look something like this. And now using a strainer, we'll strain this tomato pulp to take out all the tomato juice out of this tomato pulp. So now after squeezing all the tomato pulp, your homemade tomato juice is ready and it will look something like this. This tomato juice should be really fine as I'm showing you in the video. So firstly, we just have to take almost 2 teaspoons of this tomato juice in a clean bowl. Next up, we are gonna need vitamin E oil, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. After that, we are gonna need glycerin, and here I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon of glycerin into it. Now after adding the glycerin, I'm just going to mix all these 3 ingredients so that they all combine well. And after mixing them well, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. Now after adding the aloe vera gel, I'm just going to mix everything really well so that it makes into a smooth and a creamy consistency. After mixing everything really nicely, your homemade tomato cream is ready and it will look something like this. This cream should be really smooth, creamy, fluffy as I'm showing you in the video. This tomato cream has loads of vitamin C, nutrients and other skin benefiting vitamins which will help to rejuvenate your skin and will deeply moisturize and nourish your skin. This tomato cream helps in skin lightening, skin brightening and in skin tightening. It helps to remove all the aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin. It will also help to remove the dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation and acne scars problem from your skin and will make your skin even toned, spotless, clear and much more brighter than before. So now let me tell you how to store this cream for best use. So you can store this cream in any airtight container, and here I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight jar, and you can store it in any airtight jar or container in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you can use this cream as you normally use any other cream. Just take a generous amount of this cream onto your fingers and then apply it onto your skin, and then just massage it into your skin so that your skin deeply absorbs this cream and gives you really glowy and nourishing look. And once your skin completely absorbs this cream, just leave it like that, and you can use this cream as a night cream or as a day cream. And if you're using it as a day cream, then do apply sunscreen after using this cream. Now let's move on to the third face cream, which is a beetroot face cream. And to prepare this cream, we firstly gonna need beetroot juice, and to prepare this beetroot juice, you firstly gonna need a beetroot. So here I'm just taking this beetroot, and now with the help of a peeler, I'm peeling its skin off. So now after peeling its skin off, now we have to cut the beetroot into small pieces. So now after cutting it into small pieces, now we have to blend it to make a smooth paste. And I'm just putting all these beetroot pieces into a blending jar. So now after putting all the beetroot pieces into this blending jar, now I'm just adding rose water into it. And here I'm just adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of rose water into it so that it makes a smooth paste. And after adding the rose water, now we have to just blend it really nicely so that it makes a smooth and a fine paste. And now once it's nicely blended, the beetroot paste will look something like this. And now with the help of a strainer, I'm just straining this beetroot paste to take out all the beetroot juice out of it. Now after straining this beetroot paste, your homemade beetroot juice is ready and it will look something like this. And now let's just prepare the beetroot cream. And to prepare this cream, I'm firstly taking 1.5 teaspoon of this beetroot juice into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need glycerin, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin into it. After adding the glycerin, now we are going to need vitamin E oil or the vitamin E oil, however you want to pronounce it. And here I'm just adding half a teaspoon of this vitamin E oil or the vitamin E oil into it. And after adding this oil, now we are going to mix it really nicely so that all these oil combine with this beetroot juice. Now after mixing it well, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm just adding almost 2 tablespoons of this aloe vera gel into it. Now after adding the aloe vera gel, I'm just mixing everything really nicely to make a smooth and a fluffy cream. So now after mixing everything really well, your homemade beetroot cream is ready and it will look something like this. So the consistency of this cream should be medium and should be really creamy as I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this cream for best results. So you can store this cream in any airtight container. I'm using this small jar container to store this cream, and I'm just going to store it at room temperature for about 15 to 20 days. And if you're making this cream in summers, then you should keep this cream in refrigerator and then you can store it for up to 1 month. So this beetroot cream gives a perfect smoothness to the skin, and with the regular use of this cream, it gives you that perfect pinkish glowing skin. It also prevents wrinkles, fine lines and aging spots and gives you an even toned skin. And if you have dark spots, patchy skin, darkness or pigmentation marks on your skin, then this cream will also help to reduce that. So now let me tell you how to use this cream. So just take adequate amount of this cream and apply it onto your skin, and you also have to massage it gently so that this cream goes deeper into your skin and gives you best results. So just apply this beetroot night cream on your face and neck as a daily moisturizer and leave it overnight. And after leaving it overnight, just wash it off in the morning with your mild face wash. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.